As we delve deeper into the world of bedbug extermination, it's crucial to understand the enemy's tactics. Bedbugs are master hiders, incredible hitchhikers, seeking refuge in the smallest and most unsuspected places. Screw holes, seemingly innocent, become prime real estate for bedbugs to congregate and breed. You see, bedbugs love to feel pressure on both sides of their bodies, therefore, these tiny invaders exploit every gap, crack, and crevice, turning the nooks and crannies of a bed frame, every place where two components of the bed structure join together, into their clandestine sanctuaries. It's in these secluded hideouts that bedbugs find the darkness and security they crave, laying their eggs away from prying eyes, making their eradication a challenge for the untrained eye and even most professionals using other, far less effective methods like pesticides and ambient heat. This is where the precision of steam treatment becomes invaluable. The exterminator, armed with knowledge and the right tools, directs the steam into these hideaways, ensuring no corner is left untouched. What properly calibrated and guided blast of steam can accomplish in seconds, no other eradication method can deliver. It is fast, safe, and extremely effective. The steam's heat penetrates these hidden enclaves, reaching bedbugs in their most protected quarters. It's a targeted assault on their stronghold, not just disrupting their life cycle but ending it, and providing a respite from the infestation. Through diligent application and expert knowledge of bedbug behavior, even the most elusive and pesticide-resistant strains of bedbugs are rendered vulnerable. The once invaded bed frame stands renewed, a testament to the power of steam when wielded with precision. In the relentless fight against bedbugs, understanding their habits and hiding spots is half the battle won. With steam treatment, we have a potent weapon that, when used correctly, ensures our living spaces remain sanctuaries of peace and comfort.